हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग कैसे होंगे? अच्छे होंगे और इस समय पढ़ाई में व्यस्त होंगे क्योंकि आपके होम एग्ज़ाम या मुख्य रूप से मंथली टेस्ट चल रहे होंगे। जैसा कि आज का न्यू टॉपिक्स मेरा है ब्लड वेसल्स। ओके, ये इस चैप्टर में वेरी वेरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है और ब्लड क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि इसमें क्या है, पहला क्वेश्चन है आर्टरी और वेंस। वेरी वेरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, ये क्वेश्चन टेस्ट हो या बोर्ड एग्जाम में हर समय पूछा जाता है। व्हाट इज द हार्ट स्ट्रक्चर, इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल, डिस्क्राइब द लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन। 2026 में बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन ही पुटअप किया था। इसलिए इस चैप्टर को तो बिल्कुल आपको पढ़ना है, समझना है और इसके फिगर को ड्रा करना है और टाइम देना है। इसलिए इस चैनल को मेरा सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए और कमेंट्स अवश्य लिखिए जिससे नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको अवेलेबल हो सके। तो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स में आते हैं ब्लड वेसल्स। ओके, ब्लड वेसल क्या है? इन ह्यूमन बींग्स एंड अदर ऑफ द हायर एनिमल्स द ब्लड फ्लो इनसाइड द closed in tube called of the blood vessels. Blood heart, blood comma heart and blood vessel together the form of the circulatory system. In types of the blood vessels, arteries, veins और capillaries. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट में है डिफरेंट बिटवीन ऑफ आर्टरी और वेन्स। वेरी वेरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, इसको ज़रूर आप लोग पढ़िए और मैं समझा भी दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि वेरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट। फर्स्ट ऑफ द इन आर्टरीज कैरी द ब्लड फॉर्म इन द हार्ट टू बॉडी ऑफ ऑर्गन। सेकेंड ऑफ द इन वेन्स कैरी द ब्लड फ्रॉम बॉडी ऑर्गन टू हार्ट। सेकेंड कैरी द ऑक्सीजनेट ब्लड एंड कैरी द डीऑक्सीजनेट ब्लड। इंसेंट pulmonary arteries and extend from pulmonary vein. Third point, arteries wall is the thick and collapsible and the veins of the wall is the thin and the collapsible for blood presence in lower and blood presence of the in very high. Next point, lumen is the narrow and vein is the wall is the present है and next of the wall of the absent है and blood flow is the smoothly है and next है blood flow with the in fast and the pre है and veins are the placed of the in superficially है and the artery becomes in empties after the death. आर्टरीज क्या है? फर्स्ट पॉइंट है देयर आर द इन वेसल्स विच ऑफ कैरी ब्लड अवे फ्रॉम हार्ट एंड कन्वे इट टू द बॉडी ऑफ ऑर्गन. सेकेंड, ऑल आर्टरीज इन द कैरी प्योर ब्लड इन द ऑक्सीजनेट इन एक्सेप्ट फॉर द पल्मोनरी वेन. पल्मोनरी आर्टरी एक ऐसा अपवाद है जिसमें इन प्योर ऑफ द ब्लड लंग्स में पहुंचता फिर प्योर होकर पल्मोनरी वेन द्वारा प्योर ऑफ ब्लड आता है हार्ट में. And next point of the wall is the artery is very thick and non-collapsible in because lumen of arteries in neuro remains for the vacants. And next point, due to the thick walls the presence of the arteries in very high. And next point, values of the absent in the arteries. Next point of the veins क्या है? Impure blood of the body in different part collect of the heart. These are the in vessels which carry blood from the body organ to the heart. That is, these are the vessels carry blood of the towards the hearts. All veins carry of the impure blood, deoxygenate bloods in pulmonary vein of the exception that is called in for the human bloods and convex in the pure blood for the in hearts के लिए. And the walls of the in veins is the thinner and flexible. This is are the calcibles and the presence inside veins is the comparatively and lower and to maintain one of the way of directions of blood flow the vein have values. Third, next point आते हैं capillaries क्या है? These are the very small and fine vessels and that from the network in each of tissue of the body. The wall of the capillary is very thin and direct in contact of the cell. हार्ट को स्टडी करने से पहले आप लोग समझ लीजिए कितना ये हमारी बॉडी के लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ द इन मैकेनिज्म इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. हार्ट कहते हैं, हार्ट है क्या? फिगर से अकॉर्डिंग कहते हैं द फिगर इज द नेम पढ़ते हैं। पहला है पल्मोनरी आर्टरीज है, सेकेंड राइट एट्रियम है, मिट्रियल कपार्ट है, एंड राइट ऑफ द इन वेंटिकल्स हैं, एंड सुपीरियर वेना कोवा है, सुपीरियर वेना कोवा, एंड नेक्स्ट आता है inferior vena cavas, and pulmonary veins है, right of the ventricles हैं, and next of the in tricuspids हैं, right ventricles हैं, and left of the ventricles हैं। ओके, फिगर के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग स्टडी कर सकते हैं ह्यूमन हार्ट। नेक्स्ट ऑफ कंडीशन ह्यूमन हार्ट ऑफ द इन theoretical part, the heart is the pink or the red colors in the musculars bag like throw in like of structure that function non-stop in the throughout the life of the individual. It is a serve to the pump the blood up throughout the body. It consists the cardiac muscle, three of muscles, never of the undergoes in failure fatigue. The heart is the located almost in the center of the thoracic cavity. It is protected by the double wall in the coverings called the pericardiums in hearts. Is about of 250 say to 310 centimeters in weight centimeter and weight of in which of the in body 250 से 200 in condition of the grams दे रखा। एंड द हार्ट इज द लार्ज 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड broad 9 centimeters and thick of the 6 centimeter for the conditions of the total body of the weight for the in body of the 0.3% and the total body of weight। structure of the human hearts क्या, the heart is the composed for the 4 chamber, these are also in the 2 types, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles। फर्स्ट ऑफ द इन ऑरिकल्स कंडीशंस क्या है दे रखा। ऑरिकल द अपर 2 चैम्बर्स इज कॉल्ड ऑफ द इन राइट एंड द लेफ्ट ऑरिकल्स इन द आर्टरिया सिमिलर फॉर द इन एट्रियम्स। दीज आर द थिन वॉल्ड एंड द स्मॉलर नंबर ऑफ ऑरिकल्स serve to the receive the blood, so these are the called of the receiving chambers। And second, the left auricle receive of the pure blood, oxygenated blood from the lungs in throughout pulmonary veins। And third point, both auricles pump the blood of the in ventricles and ventricles of the bodies। Next condition of the figures of the in made of my figures for the condition है left common radical left subclavians। एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इट दे रखा है ब्रैंकियल सेफेलिक ट्रंक, सुपीरियर वेना कोवा, राइट पल्मोनरी आर्टिकल्स एंड राइट पल्मोनरी वेन्स, राइट एट्रियम्स, राइट कोरोनरीज आर्टरीज एंड राइट वेंट्रिकल्स, इंफीरियर वेना कोवा। एंड नेक्स्ट कंडीशन ऑफ द दे रखा है लेफ्ट कॉमन ऑफ द कैरोटाइड आर्टरीज है, लेफ्ट सबक्लाइनल आर्टरीज एरोटास, left pulmonary arteries, pulmonary trunk conditions and left pulmonary veins and left atriums and left cardiac vessels and the left ventricles condition of figure able। next conditions में आते हैं right auricles receive for impure in oxygenated blood pure of the various part of the in body in through to the major of veins called of the in first superior vena cava pre-caval and conditions and inferior vena cava post of the caval, and both auricles are the separated from each of their by on interauricular septum, and auricles are the separated from the ventricle by the in auricular ventricular septa come on the each of the side। next point of the in आते हैं ventricles क्या है। what is the ventricles? the lower of the 2 ventricles called of the right and the left है the ventricle, these are the in separated by the interventricular septum। second point, the ventricles functions of the pumping chambers, these they have thicks in muscular walls। third point, from left ventricles arise the very large in vessels called is the aorta। fourth, Aorta receive pure blood. Aorta receive of the pure blood from the left ventricles and goes to give rise blood of the different body of parts. Fifth point, from right ventricles arise a large vessels called of the in pulmonary artery. It is a receive impure blood from the right atriums and take it is the lungs of for purifications. Mechanism of the heart in the functions क्या है? Next conditions में functions है during each heart beat in chamber the heart of the contract systole and relaxation diastole in the regular of coordinations conditions. Human hearts next condition superior vena cava pulmonary vena cava right atrium tricuspid inferior vena cava aorta pulmonary artery pulmonary veins left medial part aortic and left ventricle. For these in importance roles में the cardiac cycle the system pump oxygenate rich of blood in the connect for the body and diastole is the feelings in the form of the blood out in the pulmonary body. Blood vessels for the arteries and veins. Arteries the pure blood, veins is the impure. For the blue color is the veins and red color of the arteries. Next key electrical system for the artery aortics in pulmonary valve and sinoauricular auricles in nodes and nodes for the key fact of the key information about in heartbeats and circulation and heartbeats in the bpms must measures of the heart rates. Okay, next condition the contraction and a chamber called of the systole. It is a decreasing the volume of the chamber and the pump of the blood outwardly. Third point है the relaxations of the chamber is called of the diastoles. It is a brain all the chamber bring the chambers is in its original size during the diastole process. The chamber against to receive the blood in conditions. Very most important question heartbeat क्या है. Next heartbeat से the pumping of mechanism the heart involves regulators and contraction systole and the relaxation diastole of a heart chamber. One of systole one of diastole of each chamber of consist and one heartbeats. The heartbeat is due to the rhythmic contractions and relaxation of heart in the muscles. Normal rate of the which is the heartbeat in the 72 per minutes in during the exercise in heavy works. This is the rate of becomes increases for the blood condition but of the in 0.8 second of the heartbeat of the condition. But important of the perigus of the step for the heart in the functioning for the पहला the impure blood comes in the right auricle through is the inferior and superior vena cava and right of the auricles pump in the blood to the right ventricles. The right ventricle is the sent to the blood for the lungs of the pulmonary arteries in Hannah. From the lungs the pure blood is the throughout oxygenated for the left auricles in pulmonary veins. Left auricle sent to the pure blood to the left ventricles and the ventricles left ventricles such is the blood for the interbody of the aortas. Next condition origin of heartbeats क्या है. The heartbeat is the originated for the muscular node which is the located at the open of right auricles. This node is called of the sinoauricular nodes and it is the small mass of the especially muscle cells and mammalians heart. It is also known as the in naturals in pacemaker when there is the in problem in the sinoauricular nodes in the generating impulse or the artificial pacemaker used. Heart sound is the when is the very important of the heart sound. When is the heart beats in the two of sound can be the heart love and of The opening and the losing of valve is present in the outlets and inlets in ventricles. Cause of the sound for this can be heard by the doctors using in the stethoscope. Okay, next point of the double circulation, very important. दोहरा परिसंचरण. Double circulation is the found in the heart of the higher in organisms such as the birds and mammals, and double circulation refers the to the flow of blood tunes in the through the heart in one side heartbeats. In double circulation involve two types of the blood flows in throughout of the heart. The first flow is called of the pulmonary circulations. In this stage, the deoxygenated blood impure blood, and from the right auricles in pass out the right ventricles, and then it's the pass the lungs through the pulmonary artery for oxygenate bloods. Second flow in the called systematic circulation. In this the stage for pulmonary veins bring the oxygenated blood. Pure blood is the in left auricles. The blood then the enters the left ventricles and pump for the indifferent organ of through in aorta. Very important of the BP यानी blood pressures क्या है, 2 marks में क्वेश्चन पुटअप किया जाए. The presence of the injected by the in heart on the blood is called blood presence. The other waste the process condition involved in the present the blood pressure BP is the measures by the instrument for the sphygmomanometers. It is always taken by the branchial arteries in one of the upper arms because it is the in horizontal level of the hearts. Thus effect of the in gravities is the nebulizations in BP has two of the limits. Upper limit is called of the systolic blood pressure is the 120 of maximums, and lower is the limit called of the diastolic process condition of the 180 mmHg. Systolic for condition of the in condition systolic blood pressure condition. Systolic blood pressure highest of the BP recorded during the cardiac cycle. It can be the defined the presence of the inside artery during the ventricular systolic contraction in of the normal about man. It is the value for about 120 mmHg and minimum 80 mmHg. ओके, थैंक्स स्टूडेंट्स. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए जिससे नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको